your eyes open, and the world is quiet. Except for the hum of the engine, the lap of water, and the pull of possibility. There's something undeniably special about picking lines from a boat, or accessing terrain by tractor, e-bike, or just your own 2 feet. Knowing the only way to the top is powered by you. It's raw, it's real, and it doesn't get much more pristine than this. Welcome to Ålesund, the gateway to the Sunnmøre Alps, one of the most breathtaking and storied ski touring destinations on Earth. On this late-season adventure, we're not rolling with your average crew. There's a Swede, a Spaniard, a Swiss, a German, and one more whose experience and achievements go well beyond ordinary. As we move through this dreamlike scenario, one thing becomes clear. This is a bucket list trip, where soul meets sweat, and each scene slips into something straight out of a Hitchcock daydream. Enter Axel Lundsvindal. Yep, you heard that right. So what happens when you bring one of the world's greatest ski racers of all time on a trip like this? Honestly, no clue. But just like you, we are here to find out.
So we're here at the Strandafjellet, and as you can see, not really fjord views right now, so Emil's got a little jibbity-jabbity-do setup going. Let's see it! Nice! That's actually stylish. What do we got going on, Emil?
We're gonna take our bikes, climb as high as possible, and then climb a bit further up.
What do you call it?
Röda faran. The Red Danger. What the morning!
We are at the top of another line, and this is a view.
Sunnmøre is more than just the skiing. It's the heritage of land and sea, lived and passed down for generations. Where stories echo beneath skies that sometimes dance with light. A place lined with jagged peaks that plunge into black water and fjord walls that rise almost impossibly from the sea. There's nothing quite like ski touring here, where every kick turn carries you higher above the ocean, and every ridge offers a view that scrambles your sense of scale. It's alpine terrain with a maritime heartbeat. locals, they don't just live here, they belong to it. And I'd be remiss not to mention Oscar Almgren, a guide, a student of the land and weather, a quiet legend. It was 12 years ago when we first met. Here we are, united once again to experience this remarkable landscape. And when you look out, it stops you. You don't just glance, you stare. In a place shaped by time, we found something timeless, an experience you may only get once. When you reflect on a trip like this, it's hard not to feel grateful. And what a crew to share it with.
Don't forget to smile.